This amazing, heavy-duty, low-profile, shallow-dig septic tank is a scientific breakthrough in the realm of septic tanks. It's light, it's strong, requires no concrete, and is very, very easy to install. Simply dig a hole, insert the tank, backfill with gravel, and then cover everything over with topsoil. Job done. Because of its shallow design, soakaways are also very, very easy to install. It's ideal for septic tank soakaway crates or the amazing easy drain gravel-free herringbone pipe system. If you're looking for one of the most advanced septic tanks in the world that's government approved and that's easy to install, then this septic tank is for you.